Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2 and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and right there on the notification panel you will find the torch icon. Just to activate the flashlight on your device, tap here once on the icon. And now, as can you see, we just activated the flashlight on our SONY Xperia. And if you want to turn it off again, just go again to the notification panel and tap here on the torch icon again. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.